Hey, what's up guys? Soldier Knows Best here. So the folks over at Velocity Micro hit me up not too long ago and they said they wanted to build me a custom gaming computer and for me just to give my thoughts on it, and that's what I'm doing. And the first video I'm going to do over this computer is just my unboxing. And so I've been able to check out Velocity Micro's work up close already because they were a part of the Intel Extreme Rig competition, and that's a competition where some of the top gaming PC manufacturers come together and compete against each other. And so while they didn't win the best overall computer, they did win the best performance award, meaning that they really know how to optimize their components to get what really matters at the end of the day, and that is the optimized best performance that you can get. So anyway, we'll see how this machine looks in just a second, but let's get back to the unboxing. So one of the first things you encounter is going to be this drawstring bag, which has the Velocity Micro logo on it. So anyway, as we move on, we do have this welcome messaging on the box letting you know that thank you for choosing Velocity Micro and that my new PC experience awaits, and has me getting more and more excited here. But now we do have our first look at this custom gaming computer. But before we get to the computer, we have some extra stuff inside of the box, including that paperwork. We also have a sweet t-shirt inside of here, and then also we have the extra cables and things like that. So as I take out this gaming computer out of the main box and I take it into my office and set it on my desk, I'm going to go ahead and start undressing it for you. All right, so the case that they went with is their GX5 Plus ATX chassis. So this is going to have room for up to 5 hard drives in their toolless hard drive cage. It also is going to be made out of aluminum, so it's going to be great as far as like heat management, and also too, it's going to look good. And it also has dual USB 3.0 and audio ports at the top. And just look at that, they added my logo and also Soldier Knows Best on the back of the case. Nice touch. Now on the main side of this case, it does have a tempered glass side panel that has their logo etched onto it. And so this is going to allow you to be able to see everything going on as far as the wiring and the little bit of lighting that it does have. And also it's very easy to take off. You just need to pull it apart, nothing to unscrew, anything like that. Just pull it off the side and then you're able to get inside this computer. Now let's go to talk about some of the main components of this computer. First, starting with the motherboard. So they went with the EVGA X299 Dark motherboard, and this is one of the top of the line motherboards. It's going to be great for overclocking. So a lot of overclockers like to use it just because of the performance and the flexibility that it has, and it does have support for 4-way SLI and a bunch of things like that to make this one of the best motherboards that you can get. Now the processor that they put on this motherboard is another top of the line product because this is the Intel Core i9-9960X processor. This is one of Intel's latest and greatest, so it has 16 cores and it's overclocked to 4.6 gigahertz. So this is another one that's great for overclocking. So you pair that with that motherboard, you have a really great combo here. And then in order to keep the heat that this processor is going to be putting out in check, they do have their Velocity Micro 240mm liquid CPU coolers. All right, so for RAM, they went with 32 gigabytes of Crucial's Ballistics Tactical Tracer RAM, and this is DDR4 coming in at 3000 megahertz. And this is going to be housing most of the RGB lighting that you see inside of this computer. All right, so taking a look at the storage, one of the things they went with is the 960 gigabyte Intel Optane 905P SSD. So this has read speeds up to 2600 megabytes per second and then write speeds at 2200 megabytes per second. And then the second thing with storage that's going to add a lot more capacity, they went with a 4 terabyte 7200 RPM SATA 600 hard drive. So this is going to be something I'm going to be keeping a lot of my games and other really heavy stuff on. Now let's look at the graphics card. So they went with a single 11 gigabyte EVGA NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti. So this is definitely going to help me game in 4K. And then what's going to be powering this system is the 1000 watt EVGA Supernova power supply. So these are all the major components inside of this thing. You can see it does have a lot of top of the line stuff inside of it. So I'm really excited to see how this thing performs. But for right now, I'm just going to hit the power button to see how this thing looks when it's on. And so you can see that it's nothing too flashy. It's not like a laser light show that you can sometimes get on some of these custom computers. It's just enough lighting to kind of give it a little bit of personality. But the main goal of this company is to release a gaming computer that gives you the best performance. And so we have this good looking powerful machine in front of you, and we also do have this gaming computer here as well. Bad joke, I know. But anyway, this is just my first video. I'm going to be doing some follow-up videos of this machine in action. So I'm going to be running some games, doing some benchmarking and stuff like that in my next video. So make sure you do subscribe to me on YouTube so you'll be notified when that goes live. And a thanks goes out to Intel, Crucial, and EVGA for helping out with this build too. So I'm about to be done talking. I'm ready to go ahead and start gaming. So leave your comment down below and let me know what you think about this computer. And also too, let me know which games you want to see me play in my next video. And if you're interested in picking up a computer computer from Velocity Micro, check out my affiliate link down below in the description so you can check out all the different computers that they offer from all different types of prices and also power needs. So they really have something for everybody, so make sure you check them out. But I'm going to go ahead and shut up right now, so I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.